Hi, here's another video. I've got the steam iron. It's working, but it seems to be blocked and making a mess of clothing. The iron face is burnt there, as you can see. It's a steam iron, so it just seems to be spraying out white bits. So I'm gonna have a look at that today. Okay, it's nice and cool. So let me just undo the water tank drainer. It's just a brass plug underneath, and I'm just showing inside. You can see it's blocked there, so this has not been descaled in a while. That's why it's spraying out all these bits onto the clothing. That's the water tank there, and let me just show you here. This is what's coming out on the clothing, spraying it out. Feels like sandy, fine sand. So it obviously needs descaling. So what I'm going to do, just empty the contents, and you can see there's bits coming out there of the tank. Some of the bits there, and just show you inside. It's a bit better, but unfortunately this plug's worn and it will not screw back in. Let me just show you. When I try to pop it back in, it spins around, doesn't tighten at all because the thread's gone on it. Common apparently. Let me see if I can get a close up of the thread. See there, that thread's worn out. So I'm gonna have to replace that. Okay, so I've had a look on the internet. I managed to find one for $12.75. It's called a boiler nut for a steam iron, and I've ordered it. Just gotta wait for it to arrive. Okay, so in the meantime I'm just gonna have a look at the iron itself. So just leave it clean. It's not been cleaned in a while or descaled. That's why it's making a mess of the clothing. So I'm just gonna see if I can get rid of some of this mess on here. This is some of the deposits, what it sprays out, as you can see here. Won't be able to get it totally clean, but when I'm waiting for the part to arrive, I'm going to give the whole thing a clean. Let me show you here. This is where the steam sprays out of these small nozzles here, and as you can see, some of them are blocked, as you see there. And this just due to lack of maintenance. See, just highlight some of the deposits there that are blocked up, and this is what's coming out into the clothing. So I'm just gonna use this toothpick just to clear the holes, and as I'm doing that, you can see bits of powder. Get close up there. Some kind of powdery deposits. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some descaler to clean the thread on the tank. Let me just give you a close up there, because the part has arrived, so I've got to make sure the thread's nice and clean. You can see there, I've cleaned it with the descaler. And this, let me show you the part. That's the new part on the right hand side, and the worn part on the left. You can see the difference. The thread's completely worn out, and on the old one you could use the Allen key, but on this one it's just the tool that's supplied with the iron. I'll show you that in a bit. Just compare the two there. You can see how worn out it is. Okay, now that I've cleaned the thread on the boiler tank, I'm just going to put a bit of oil on here along the thread. Might make it easy to come off, undo, and then I'm just going to pop the boiler nuts in, and the tools on the back of here to tighten it up. You just use this to tighten undo the tank when you descale or emptying the tank. I'll just tighten it up there. That's nice and tight. Let's put this this cap back on. And that's where the tool goes. This clips back in there so you don't lose it. So what I'm going to do now is descale the unit. So I'm just going to fill it with 3 parts water and 1 part this Green-Crocs descaler. It's pretty good. I'll put that into the tank. So it's just a matter of I've got the descaler and water inside the tank. It's just a matter of switching the iron on and getting it to temperature. I'll put in the higher setting there. Okay, I've come back. It's nice and hot now. And I'll just spray some of this steam inside here, inside the sink. And you can see little bits that come out of the iron face there, little bits there, sprayed out. So I'll just continue doing that. Hopefully the descale fluid will do its job on the inside. Get a large build-up of scaling inside. And like I said, this is just due to a lack of maintenance. Okay, now that that's done, it's just a matter of switching the iron off and waiting for it to cool down. Don't open it when it's hot. Don't open this tank when it's hot. Wait to give the iron at least half an hour to cool down. Okay, so let's get this tool out once again and undo the nut which I've just fitted. And now that that's off, let me just tip the water out. Still a bit warm. Just empty the tank. Should get rid of the descale fluid and whatever's left in there. Give it a good shake, and then it's just a matter of popping the nut back on and closing this little tab here, and then just popping the key back into position so you don't lose it. And then you're supposed to use this deionized water. Part water and part deionized, nobody does in this house anyway, so let me just put some deionized water in there, and then I'll just top it up with tap water. And close the tab and just reinsert that. So this iron's ready to go. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.